Now I'm going to show you how you can add subtitle to your video. So select your clip, and now right here besides properties we have subtitles. You can click here, and now we can start. So you can select a language, and now we can start. So now it will automatically add subtitle to the videos. Click on this fit, so it will fit the entire video to the timeline. And now as you can see we have the subtitle. You can select a subtitle and then you can edit that subtitle, or you can select your video and in subtitle you can edit that in here. And now if you click here we have the second subtitle. And now we can also, guys, let's click here, we can also change these subtitles. So I'm going to change this to this color. And now for the background, I'm going to change my background to, let's change the background to this color, and let's change the text to black color. Now we can also change this to bold, and we can change the font to maybe this one. Now as you can see, guys, the changes we make is now applied to all the subtitle. So this is how you can add subtitle to your video. Now I'm going to select this one, and we can also add in animation to these subtitle. I'm going to select this one, go to in, and I'm going to add this animation. So this way we have a smooth in animation for the subtitle. And now as you can see we have these animation to the subtitle. So let's select this one, select the typewriter, and now we are good to go. So this is how you can add subtitle automatically to your videos.